Welcome back guys, another day, another year. So these are Honda CBR natin. So we gonna change the both side mirror, and we gonna put a radiator cover over there. See, they have a little dirt because they have I need to put some protection. So kailangan natin lagyan ng protection yan guys. So ayan ang ating Honda CBR. So ayan siya, mga kabikers right there sa Pilipinas, pero wala tayo dyan. So bago na yung kanyang exhaust carbon fiber. So ayan, so this is vlog for Filipino right there. Medyo layo tayo para makita ng buo, at ang ipapalit natin sa kanya ay ipapakita ko doon sa lamesa, and then saglit lang yung palitan, easy peasy. So ayan guys, ipapalit natin yan, tapos titignan natin kung gaano siya kapogi. Okay, ipapalit natin cover na may tatak na Honda CBR 500, at ito ang ating side mirror right there. Ganyan yata yan. Okay, ayan. So umpisa na natin yan guys. Ipapasok natin yung motor dito para kasi medyo madilim dito sa loob, kaya ikakabit na natin yan. Let's go! So guys, I prefer to use a drill, but can't find the allen, the bit for the allen for that. So let's go guys, let's remove it. Go, it's very easy. So let's start. Yeah. So guys, and set din natin si GoPro syempre kahit papano. Come on GoPro. There. Nasaan ang tools ko? Nasaan tayo? Mga tools. Mahirap pala si Elvin, guys. Nasa school pa. Ayan guys, nakita nyo naman ang ating pagtandaan. Ayan guys. So, tignan natin to kung kanan ba o kaliwa. So, go guys. Right here. So,